If you've experienced fire, flood, or even theft, when this happens, we make a claim on our insurance. Insurance covers the damage, and those items become salvage. This is where Barga.ca comes in. We auction items insurance companies write off. Some items have slight blemishes, many are ready to reuse, and others are good for parts. Registration is free and easy. Browse, bid, and buy a bargain at Barga.ca.